Hello everyone. Recently, I've been learning how to create more complex videos for my Faceless YouTube channel. For example, here's this video, Noodle dancing, and this one, TikTok dancing. These videos were created using ComfyUI, a powerful interface for stable diffusion. In today's video, I'll show you how to install ComfyUI on your PC so you can explore and create on your own. Let's get started. To run ComfyUI on your PC, you'll need an NVIDIA GPU with at least 8 GB of VRAM, a modern CPU like Intel, Xeon E5, i5, or Ryzen 5, and a minimum of 16 GB of RAM. If your computer meets these requirements, we're ready to get started. First, click on the link I've provided in the description. Now scroll down the GitHub page, find and select the Installing ComfyUI section. Then, click on that section, and on the next page, click on the direct link to download. The download will start. This is the ComfyUI file for Windows, about 1.5 GB. Here is the file after downloading. Copy it to an empty drive and proceed to extract it. After extracting, click into the folder. To run ComfyUI, simply click on Run NVIDIA GPU. Wait a moment for ComfyUI to start up. And here is the ComfyUI interface. The left side of the interface is the node arrangement area, where you can build and connect steps in your AI workflow. As shown, this is the default workflow in ComfyUI, specifically designed for image generation. The right side is the control area, providing options like save, load, refresh, and other tools to manage your workflow. And now, let's try generating an image by clicking on the Q prompt button. We encountered the error, prompt outputs failed validation, meaning the checkpoint isn't available. We need to download it and place it in the ComfyUI folder. You can download the default model or any model you prefer. Here, I'm downloading the DreamShaper model. After downloading, we copy it into the following folder. Then click refresh. Next, click on the load checkpoint node and select the model we just downloaded. And after clicking Q prompt again, here is the result. If you want to create a different image, simply change the prompt in this node. You can adjust the image size in this node. For example, set it to 768 by 432. And click on Q prompt again, and we have the result, a beautiful girl. This is just a simple default workflow. In reality, there are more complex workflows with dozens of nodes. Now, I'll try loading a different workflow to show you. When I loaded the new workflow, a message appeared. Missing node types. This means the workflow requires some nodes that are not currently installed in the system. Missing nodes will appear in red on the graph, making it easy to identify and address them. And to install these missing nodes, follow these steps. Now, we'll install ComfyUI Manager. First, click on the link in the description below the video. Click on this link and then download the 64-bit version. After downloading, proceed with the installation. Then, go back to the ComfyUI Manager page, right-click on this link, and download it to the path shown in the video. Next, go to the folder where the downloaded file is located, click on it to complete the installation. And now let's restart ComfyUI. And now, on the right side of the interface, the Manager button has appeared. This button allows you to manage and install missing nodes. To install the missing nodes, click on Manager. Click on Install Missing Custom Nodes. Here, you'll see a list of missing custom nodes. Check the nodes you want to install, then select Install to proceed with the installation. Then, click Restart to complete the installation. The red nodes have disappeared, which means we've successfully installed the missing components. We'll stop here for now. In today's video, I only covered how to install ComfyUI on a PC. For those whose PCs don't have enough specifications to run ComfyUI, I'll show you another option in the next video. See you.